Hi, my name is Jerry and welcome to Shabab channel. Today I will show you how to make a simple omelette. Stage 1 is the egg. For me, I'm using 3 to 4 eggs, but I'm using 4 eggs. These very lovely eggs. Now, you can just mix it until the egg white and the egg yolk mix together. This is the butter. Now, you should make the pan not too much hot because it will get discoloration of the butter. So I will use some little butter. Yes. Quarts. When the butter is melted, we will start to cook the egg. Now, everyone knows how to make an omelette. They making plain omelette, they making some vegetable omelette, they making cheese omelette. Now, I will show you my way on how to cook my omelette. So, I just prepare some vegetable here. No stress, no panic. Just let the pan do the work. All the ingredients will mix together. See? Just lower down the heat so that it will not make a discoloration. And there we go. And now I will just add couple of flavors. Here, some cheddar cheese. I'll just put on top. Just like this. So you can make it lovely. And add some spring onion. And tomato. And if you have a really good clean cloth, you can reshape it. And this is a really good clean cloth. Like this. Reshape it. There we go. And this is the omelette.
Thank you for watching.